Hello friends, welcome to part 103 of Laravel 12 multi-binary e-commerce series. So we will work on orders management once again. And in this part, we are going to add order tracking link in the shipped order that we are updating from the admin panel. In the last part, we have seen that we able to send the order email and the order status email. Two emails we able to send in the last part, and in the last part itself we able to update the status to ship this order shipped email we can able to send to the user. Here you can see that we able to send this order shipped email, okay, with the shipping details, and one more detail is required, that is the track shipment link. Okay, tracking link is required. Yeah, so that is mandatory, so that's why I have created this video, because just to explain you that how you can able to add the tracking link. Okay, so like we have added the two columns in our orders table as well as in orders underscore logs table. We are going to add one more column in both the tables, then that is the tracking link, tracking underscore link. Okay, column we are going to add both in orders table as well as the create orders logs table. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do, and we are also going to show here in the enemy panel when we will update the status to the shift like this, then we are going to show here the order tracking link as well, in which the admin can able to add the link of the tracking, and the same link we are going to connect here in the email so that the user can able to track his shipment. Okay, so that is the important part in the manual shipping process. So let's start working on it in the description of the video. Okay, so first of all we are going to update the migration tables. Okay, every time we are updating the table, so that if you run the php artisan migrate fresh seed command, then we can generate that same table, okay, that we require, create orders table. So we are going to modify it with the tracking link as well. Here we are going to add the tracking link. Okay, and also in the create order log table, here also we are going to add the tracking link. Okay, so after adding these tracking links, then we are going to modify the order model and the order log model as well. Here also we are going to add the tracking link and order log model as well, and here also we are going to add the tracking link. Okay, so after this we are going to open the order service. uh, at the admin, sorry, at the admin level. Okay, so here we are going to modify the update order status function, update order status, and here we can find the tracking number. Along with the tracking number, we are required the tracking link as well. Here also we require the tracking link that we can add both in orders table as well as in the orders log table. Okay, so that is the only thing that we are required to add here in the update order status table. Okay, so after this we are going to modify the show blade file. Here we are going to add the tagging link field as well. Okay, so I'm going to open the show blade file that is located at the admin order show. Okay, so I'm going to search here the order status. So we are going to replace the complete div. Here this div we are going to replace update order status, and here we can see the order status, select this one, sorry, this one. Okay, starting from here, order status and select status. So this will have one more field, or we can simply add this particular field after shipping partner. We can add this particular field, just make sure here after the shipping partner, or after we can also add after tagging number. Here we can add this one. We're going to align it. Okay. So after adding this, now under the update order log, here at one more place we are required to add the tracking link under log. Here you can find the log. Okay. So after the tracking number, we are going to add here the tracking link as well if the tracking link exists. Okay. So this we are going to add here as well. We are going to align it. Okay. And so we are going to update the JS for it as well. So that we are going to update in custom.js. Right at the bottom, we are going to see that we are already having this code, and so we are just required to modify this code here. Okay. So after this, now we are going to update in email as well. We are going to open the email template. This email, we are going to update this email template, order status updated. And here we're going to search here the shipping partner. Okay, so here you can see log shipping partner and all the code is here, and we are going to add here the tracking link as well. Right now we don't have the tracking link here. Okay, so update tracking link in here, view order. So this one. Okay, so this complete code we are going to modify. That we have the tracking link as well. Okay. So after this, just we are going to update the update status in the order controller. Update status. And here we are going to add the validation for tracking link as well. Like we have validation for the tracking number. And also one more thing I forgot to tell about you that in create orders table, here we have added the tracking link, and but here by default the string will pick 255 characters. We can make it 1000 characters because the tracking link can be of the 1000 characters. Okay, so that's why we can add the 1000 characters like this. Okay, and also we can manually add these columns in the database right now, but next time they will automatically get generated when we will run that php artisan migrate fresh seed command. Okay, so see, after making the changes, we can run php artisan migrate, but this is only acceptable when we will update the migrations. Okay, we are not updating the migrations, means we are not doing that alter table command in migration. We are simply create the tables again with the migration, and for that we are required to run php artisan migrate fresh seed. So this command is required to run after taking all these steps. So I am not running this one because otherwise I need to register the user, need to add the item to the product, need to add the delivery address. Okay, so many things I need to do. So that's why I am not doing this step. I am just modifying the tables that we require to update. Okay. Next time, whenever we will run this command, the correct table will automatically get generated. Means that column will automatically get inserted. Okay, get inserted in this table. Okay. So here after the tracking number, I am going to add one more column, and that will be tracking link. So I'm going to make it varchar with the 1000 length. Okay. Here we can see tracking link varchar with the 1000 length. Okay. In the traditional MySQL, that will not accept more than 255 characters, but now there is no limit of that. Okay. So in the order log as well, we are going to add the tracking link after tracking number. And also varchar length, we are going to make it 1000. So it's done. Now we are going to test. I think now all these steps are done. Okay. So now we can uh, test. See, I'm going to refresh here. Okay, so see here, if the status is payment captured, now I'm going to make it shipped. It automatically shows here the tracking link. Okay, so I'm going to add the new tracking number to this one with the tracking link, any link we can add, like see fedex.com, any number we can add here. I'm going to add India English and any tracking number. See track URL. So the tracking URL is something like this. Okay, so I'm going to pick, suppose this is the tracking URL. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. So this one, this ID must be here. Okay, so we are going to add it like this. FedEx is here. These remarks are for the personal marks of the admin. Okay, shipping done like this. Any personal marks. Now we are going to update the status. Now the new email will go with the tracking link. Let's see. Here some error has come. Tracking link cannot be null. I think some issue is there. We are going to check where we are sending that, updating their status. Order service, update order status. We are also going to check in order controller. Here we forgot. Okay, after tracking number, we are required to add the tracking link as well. Okay, so we forgot at one place. Now I'm going to do Control Shift R to test once again. Yes, this time it's done. Okay, so you can see here it also mentioned here shipped with tracking number this time and open tracking. So that same link will open from here. And also I'm going to check the email. Yes, the new email must have come. Okay, I'm going to do that once again because some error has come last time. So now once again, I am going to see these are the details. I'm going to click on update status. Okay, so see that job is gone. I need to run that command. I think it's in job, it's in queue. Yes, it's in queue. I need to run that PHP artisan job, that work, that command we need to run this one. PHP artisan queue work. Okay, so this command will simply execute the emails. Okay, for our project, I am going to run in git bash here. Okay, so I'm going to run this one. So here you can see it is processing those queues. Okay, so it is sending the emails. Okay, so this is the process of queue and it's done. Now I'm going to check email. Yes, new emails has come up. Okay, I'm going to check the latest email, and here I'm going to click on track shipment. Yes, we able to see the link here. Okay, So it's working fine. We able to see the track shipment FedEx link. Okay, it is going to that link, though this ID does not exist. So that's why it is saying the tracking number you entered can't be found, because we don't have any tracking number for FedEx. This is just the testing. This is just for the testing purpose. Okay, we have added the dummy link. Okay, so I hope that you are able to do this one as well. This is very important to do the tracking link, because the tracking link is required for the user, so that the user can able to track that order. Okay, so that's all for now. Please subscribe the channel. You can always search for this channel, Stack Developers, like this, and you can simply open the channel, and you can, after opening the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and also you can join the channel to get the complete source code. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.